Hello everyone, it's Annette with ASCardDesign. Welcome back to my channel. And today is day 7 of the Gina K Designs 12 Days of Christmas box, and we're doing the reveal for the day 7 gift. And let's go ahead and crack this open and see what we have. Okay, well we have a beautiful 6x6 background stamp, and this is called Chalet Background, and this is really pretty. Let me go ahead and get this opened. And you can see this gorgeous symmetrical background. Ooh, this is going to be very pretty. I love a good background stamp. And you know, you can use this to make your own DIY pattern paper. This is kind of the base layer, and then you would do stamping on top of that on your panel, and that would be very pretty. But I'm not going to do that today. I am going to show you what else you can do with this. And so first we're going to go ahead and stamp up a background. So let me grab a piece of cardstock, and I just have a 1/4 sheet piece of white cardstock, and this is 65 pound weight. And I'm going to remove the backing off of that stamp, and I'm just going to leave it right there on my desk. And I know it's a little difficult to see with the black glass top and the stamp, but I do think you still can see it, and you'll be able to see what I'm doing. We're going to be using Gina K Design's Dark Lilac for this, and I thought I'm going to go a little bit, I've been doing a lot of cards with blue, hues of blue and grays, so I'm going to bring out my purples because I do love them, and my birthday is in February, and I'm an amethyst girl, so I've always loved the color purple. So we're going to lay down a good amount of ink on that, and then we are just going to drop our panel right down on it. Okay, and then I'm going to grab a paper towel, and I like to just lay my towel over that and just give it a good press. You could put this stamp in a stamping platform like your Misty, but I find this works just as easy. And then just carefully peel that off, and you have this beautiful stamped image. Isn't that gorgeous? I really love the symmetrical pattern and the repetitiveness. I really think that looks very nice and clean. And so I'm going to wipe this stamp off, and then we'll move on to the next step. Before we move on, I do want to mention that any supplies I'm using outside of the day 7 gift reveal, I'll have everything listed in the supplies in the description below, so you can check that out. All right, so next I'm going to bring in a panel that I was practicing with on, let's see if you can see that, these little iridescent snowflakes. There we go. So this was actually the day 6 gift, this glitter, and it's Dazzle Dust, and I have it in my little bag here, but each day has these little stickers, and I've been putting the stickers in with the gift so I know what day, I don't know, I just like to know what day had which gift. And so yesterday we had the glitter, and I used the Gina K Winter Bliss stencil and the fuse gel, and I'm going to try to get this in a little tighter so you can see it. I put the stencil over the cardstock, and I did the fuse gel. I spread it through the stencil, and then I applied the Dazzle Dust, and then I allowed it to dry really, really well. And then when it was dry, I went ahead and just took a smooth cloth and burnished off all the loose glitter, and that's what we have. And this lighting is not doing it justice, but I think right there you can see how beautiful and iridescent. There's lots of lavenders and purples and greens. So I thought what would be fun is also I am bringing in the tiny tags gift from day 5 of the box, and I'm going to try to cut out using this circle tag, this circle tiny tag, and I'm going to cut out these little individual snowflakes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. So my goal is to make a tag, and each one has a snowflake on it. So let me go ahead and die cut that, and I'll be right back. I went ahead and die cut all my pieces. So I have my background stamp. I cut that out of Master Layouts 2, the stitched rectangle. And also from Master Layouts 2, I did the regular rectangle for the matte layer. So we'll glue those together in a minute. And I know this is really hard to see on camera, but I did die cut out and got some nice snowflake images on these tiny tags. And I found some embroidery floss in my stash, and I found some that matched that purple. And all I did was, on the embroidery floss, it was a little bit thick, so I just pulled it apart, and each piece had 6 strands. So I just took apart 3 strands, and that's what I have here. And I just doubled it over, and I'm just putting it right through the hole in that tiny tag. And that's what we have. So really, really trying to block some of the light so you can see that beautiful image. I will take some photos at the end of this video and hopefully get a better view of this. So let's go ahead and glue everything together and finish up this card. Get the panel down on the matte layer. Do that first. And I'm just going to pull that down a little bit further so I can see it straight on here. I got a little bit ahead of myself. Before I glue that down, I want to make sure I have these elements where I want them on the card, because I want to tape the string, the embroidery floss, onto the back. So carefully, I am going to set this one right about there, and we'll straighten that. And just flip it over, and we'll just adhere it to the back with a little bit of Scotch tape. All right, there I have my snowflakes down on the panel, and I did go ahead and I added a little bit of glue on the back of each snowflake tag, glued that down, and then I smoothed out the ribbon and just taped it to the back. Now we'll go ahead and glue it to the matte layer. All right, and that's what we have. We'll just glue that down to our card base and add our greeting. And I've already pre-stamped the greeting. This is from the Stay Cozy stamp set with coordinating dies. And I die cut that out, and I die cut 2 more shadow layers. And we're going to go ahead and glue those together. And you can see that just added a little bit of dimension to the back. And then we'll go ahead and glue that down onto our card panel. And we will have a finished card project. And that is our finished card project. And we have our beautiful Chalet Background stamp in the Dark Lilac color. And I love that. And then these beautiful snowflakes with the Dazzle Dust in Starlight. That was from yesterday, and we added a little bit of embroidery thread there for the little tag ornament there. So I hope you enjoyed this. I will put a link to the playlist at the end of this video for my days 1 through 6 reveals, and then we have 12 days, and I'm not going in sync with each day because I'm a little bit behind just due to my daytime job and then filming at night, so I'm just a little bit behind, but I will get a video for every day here and hopefully get them done before the end of the month. So thank you for spending some time with me, and I hope you have an enjoyable evening. See you next time. Bye-bye.